GITEX, the global platform for tech and startup, will be hosted in Africa for the first time. The announcement was made at the Nigeria's Top 50 Digital Economy Enablers by Akande Ojo, President and CEO of Pinnacle International Consulting, facilitators of GITEX Africa.
We really like to thank you all for the opportunity given to us because of our short window. So we are from the Dubai Water Center, and for most of you, you know me and you know what we do. So what we have here today is about GITEX Africa. We just want to run through it just to see what we have coming up. Nigeria has contributed immensely to the development of African focus on GITEX program. The reason why GITEX is growing faster is because of Nigeria's participation. And this is not the time for our private sector to sit back and look and let others take the Gary from you. Because now other people are copying what we are doing. You see that? Sorry, everybody is copying what we are doing. But the thing is that we are not leveraging. We need to bring our young ones to the table. If we can't go, I know most of you are billionaires, it's okay, fine. But then what about the young ones out there on the street?
Iyad Kamis is the Commercial Director, Events Management at GITEX.
GITEX have never been out of Dubai, so for us it's a big step. It's a very calculated step, and we brought it to Africa because we do understand the value and the opportunities that Africa has to offer. What should Africa expect? Is basically, hopefully, we're writing together a success story of making GITEX Africa the largest tech event in Africa, which is going to contribute not only, to the GDP of the continent, but also is going to contribute to reach out to the less fortunate startups. I always emphasize on the startup because we know that there's a lot of startups, in Africa that they just need to be exposed and need to be there. So we're there, we're in a mission to make them actually seen by the investors. GITEX is a platform where everyone, meets, everyone who's relevant to the tech industries. We're talking about government delegation, we're talking about Minister of ICT, Minister of Education, Minister of Health, all those who are seeking the latest innovation in that sectors. We have in GITEX Africa, we're going to have the One Africa Digital Summit, which is going to bring all the VVIPs and the policymakers together, to address what is needed for the continent and to see how we can take it to the next step.
So government, startups, business owners, and of course the tech community will be in Morocco in May. Thank you for watching. I'm Don Pedro Agambi. I'll see you next time.